How to crop any image into a shape in Figma. In this video, we're going to be talking about how you can crop any image into a shape in Figma. So let's talk about it. So let's say I'm going to go ahead and create this shape over here, right? Now, once you have created the shape, what we're going to do is we are going to add an image into this section. So let me add an image and let me show you how this is supposed to work. So I'm going to go with any random image that I have in my camera roll. So let's go ahead with this one over here. Okay, I'm going to add this image. Okay, now once we have this image over here, what we're going to do is we're going to crop it down, obviously. Now, once we do that, I'm going to go ahead over here. Okay. Now, once we have this image and we have this shape, what you can do, by the way, is first of all, round its edges like that. So automatically it becomes an ellipsed shape. All right. So that is already a good way to do this. But what you can moving on do is you can choose this image, go on the fill section over here. And once you are in the fill section, what you can do out of all these options that you have is you can easily go ahead and change the background, right? So what you can do is you can change it into that. Once we do this, what you're going to do is you're going to choose image, and you can either choose the same image or you can just choose any image that you have in your captures. All right. So let's say I'm going to do the same. I'm going to go into the images. I'm going to choose that and look at that. Just like this, you can crop any image into a shape in Figma. Thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.